Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Welcome to our Project 4. Here we will post some data to the server using Ajax. So let's take a look. Let's come to project3.html, go to file, save it as Project 4. Let me save it. And for posting, we need a button. So let's uncomment it. Click me. And this time on key up event will not get fired, and this button will be just after this text field. Yeah, and here will be the result. That's fine. Now we are going to post something. We are retrieving the data here. We are checking the length. Everything is fine. Now if length is 0, nothing will happen. Now let's make it post, and this time let's make it post.php and no query string, right? Nothing. Dot send, we are going to send using parameters, isn't it? So let's write here params, and we are going to save that params, but later on. No, let's do it now only. So var params name equals plus name. That's it. So var params equals name, and here we are sending it. Now let's write here xhr dot set, remember, request header. Next, content type. So this one we are just providing some header information, and this will be application slash xwww hyphen form hyphen url encoded. That's it. Now let's save it. Now we need to create a file, that is post.php. Let me come here inside search.php. Let's go to file, save it as post.php. Let me save it. Here we are retrieving the name, but we need to retrieve it using post method. This is not required, and these are all fine, and this query will be something else. Insert into customers values now this one will be $email, and this one will be $name. That's it. Now what is the $name and what is $email? Here we have already saved the name, but how we can get the email? You know how? Let's write here $email equals our great technique, that is $name dot @gmail.com. I mean, we are concatenating it. This is the concatenation symbol in PHP. Now let's hit save. So we are inserting it. Now if MySQL, I mean if $query run, let's delete everything and let's write here echo values, or let's write here your informations get got inserted in our database with name, provide a colon, or let's have a space here, another space here, concatenation symbol, dollar name, again provide a concatenation symbol, provide a space, name, and email dot dollar email. That's it. Else echo oops, some issue is there. That's it. Fingers crossed. Let's hope this code not get executed. Okay, I think everything is fine now. Localhost Ajax insert into not customers, it's customers. Values, that's fine. Dollar name, dollar email, and here everything is fine. Post.php params, and where is the params? This is the params. On click, id equals name. Yep, I think it is fine. Name dot value. Okay, I think it is fine. So let's take a look. Let's come here. Let's open Project4. Let's add here Johnson. So first of all, let's get assured that we don't have Johnson here. Nope. So let's click me. Some error is there on line 11. Let's take a look. Post.php line number 11. If oops, oh my god, here we have, oh my god, I'm mad. I'm really mad. I've closed it 2 times. How can I do that? Let's hit refresh. Now let's click on click me, undefined variable post on line 2. Some issue is there. Let me check. Oh my god, it all should be caps here. Let's save it, and now let's hit refresh, and here we might have got some arbitrary. Yep, this is the one. Now let's click on Johnson. Let's write here Johnson. Click me. Your informations got inserted in our database with name Johnson, email johnson@gmail.com. Now let's take a look. Yup, there you go. And let's write here say Joey. Let's click me. Your informations got inserted in our database with name Joey, email joey@gmail.com. The page is not getting refreshed, but everything is happening. And say joey@gmail.com. Now let's take a look at our project 3. Let's write here J and say Johnson Joey. That's cool, right? Okay. So in this course, what we have seen? We have seen how we can work with Ajax efficiently. And we have seen 4 projects till now. The first project is a basic project, but still that's necessary to start off your concept with Ajax, where we have loaded a file content from a server to our client side or to our browser. Then in our second project we have seen a dynamic example where whenever we are writing something, we are getting that welcome message. Welcome, then input field, right? Well, I know that you can do it using only JavaScript. You don't need that PHP stuff, but still, that's an interesting project. Then we have seen our last two projects. The first one, I mean, the third one was the search result or the search suggestion, you can say. So that's the third one. That's a kind of real life example. And here we have seen how we can post data to a server. This is necessary for registering. You are understanding, right? This is necessary for registering your user to your database. So that's it, friends. Here we have seen 4 projects, and also I will come up with many more interesting projects in our near future. So stay in touch with me, and if you have any issue understanding some concept, please feel free to let me know. I'm always here to help you out. So here I am concluding this project. Wish you all the best.